Hi, I'm Jonny John. Today I want to show you the Holy Tempo technique. So the Holy Tempo is a meditation designed to quickly bring your mind into a state of stillness, peace, and harmony. As the practice is quite short, 1 minute, you can prolong it for as long as you want. As the practice is quite short, it's really helpful for those busy people who just do not have enough time to practice actual meditation for long periods of time. So this meditation technique is great for those people who are preparing, who need a quick way to prepare for a presentation. A quick way to bring their mind into a state of peace and stillness and focus for an interview or even to prepare to sleep. Now, before we get into the actual practice, let us talk a little bit about it so we can understand how it works. Now, the mind, when it's full of wandering thoughts, of negativities, of worries, of fears, it will only bring unhappiness within. So the mind is a holy temple where you want to keep unwanted visitors out. The unwanted negativities, the unwanted wandering thoughts. Now, when we try to instruct the mind to do what we want to do, often it can prove futile. Have you ever tried to tell your mind to stop thinking about a person, about a thing, about a problem? It's like trying to turn off a music that has been stuck in our minds. It can be difficult. It can be impossible. Now, the Holy Tempo meditation works not against the mind. It works with the mind. So through the meditation, we are instructing the mind, not through going against it, but through declaring words of wisdom, of truth, so that the mind cannot really refuse.